Good morning, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to each one of you. May this year be a good one for all of us. Last
Good
year,
morning,
everybody
ma'am.
has good morning, children. Okay, I think last time we were discussing letters. Did we discuss SOP?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did we discuss acceptance letter? Yes. Nobody remembers anything, right, children? Uh, One second. Types of letters. Okay. Did we discuss job application and resume? How do you draft the resume?
No,
Hello?
ma'am.
No? Okay. So we'll do that later. First, we'll just wind up the smaller topics so that what is an acceptance letter? SOP refers to statement of purpose. That is, when you are trying to get into some foreign university, you need to give a short kind of a biography about your achievements, what all you have done in the past, so that you get into or you get admitted to that particular course. That is statement of purpose. Now we are discussing letter of acceptance. What is an acceptance letter? Acceptance letter is very, very simple. You have been called for a job interview. uh, you go there, you get selected, and then you receive a letter, that is a call letter, sorry, your appointment letter. Once you receive the appointment letter, it is mentioned in the appointment letter that you are supposed to join by so and so date. Once you receive the appointment letter, you write an acceptance letter to the company, thanking them for having given you this opportunity of being able to work over there. So that is called as acceptance letter. Okay, is everybody getting it? It is just a thank you letter that you are drafting to the employee or employer. Whom are you going to write? If you are writing an acceptance letter, who are you? Again, everybody is sitting like Nirguna Brahmams. Am I
Employee.
audible? Yes, you are the employee, future employee. You have been given this opportunity and you are thanking them for having given you this opportunity. So, letter of acceptance. Thank you, letter, for having received the job. You state that you would join the job on the date and time mentioned in the letter for you to join. Is my voice audible to you, children? Is there any disturbance or some cracking, voice cracking or breaking in between?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay.
ma'am.
Because
No,
here
ma'am.
I'm getting an information stating that the sound quality is bad. That's why I asked you. Okay. So you are writing a thank you letter to your future employee, sorry, employer, saying a thank you letter is an acceptance letter. So when you write an acceptance letter, you just write dear sir or dear madam, because you already know who your boss is. So the salutation will be fixed, either dear sir or dear madam. Okay, so you will be writing and telling, you just tell them that I'm very excited, I'm uh, and you're very happy that you have got the opportunity, the golden opportunity to work in that particular organization. You feel very, very excited, and that you are looking forward to joining the organization, and you tell them that you'll be joining on time. That is the acceptance letter. Then we have the letter of appreciation. What is appreciation letter? Now, as an employee, you're working in an organization, you receive awards and you achieve something. Many a times, your bosses uh, give you an appreciation letter for the efforts that you have put in, for what you have achieved. So, it's written by a superior to a subordinate for achieving success or for receiving awards up or promotion in a job. Okay, so letter of appreciation is written by a superior to a subordinate for achieving success or for receiving awards or promotion in a job. That is appreciation. So who is writing this? Will it be dear sir, madam? Think and tell me. In letter of appreciation, what will be the salutation?
The name of the subordinate.
Very good. The name
Hmm.
of the subordinate, the person who is working under you. Of course, appreciation letter is always written by a superior to a subordinate, by the bosses to the employees, by the higher ups to their subordinates. So don't forget this. So directly, if Mansi has achieved something, I'll be writing dear Mansi. If Siddesh has achieved something, I'll be writing dear Siddesh. If Pratiksha has achieved something, I'll write dear Pratiksha. So directly, that is letter of appreciation. Okay, so you will write dear Radha as I've given here. Then name of employee in the salutation and regards in complimentary close. So as a boss, you're going to give them best regards for their achievements, and you're wishing them all the best, and you hope that they will continue achieving success. Then letter of recommendation. What is recommendation letter? As I've told you, children, last time I was discussing, if you are planning to go abroad, you need to submit LORs, that is letter of recommendation. That is, you can take it either from your teachers or your bosses or the principal, somebody who knows you really well. Okay, and they ask you, especially taking it from your teachers, your principal will definitely help you because they are the ones who know you quite well, and their letter of recommendation means a lot. So in that they write what kind of a student were you, what you have achieved, all these things. So if you wish to study or work abroad or in a reputed company or institution anywhere in India, then certain reputed companies expect you to submit few LORs, that is letters of recommendation. That is somebody is recommending you. Sifarish, what you say? Uh, Proposing your name, saying that, I have no hesitation in recommending this person. This person would be an asset to your organization. Okay, so that is a letter of, sometimes even the bosses recommend you. Like you are working, it is obvious that bosses never like good employees to leave them. But at times, certain bosses are really have a huge heart, have a big heart, and they usually give recommendation letter to their employees because they want them to grow in the world in their career, because if they find that there is not much scope for growth in the company that they are working, then they wish all the best for their employees and they want them to achieve success, and hence they write letters of recommendation even for their employees who are working with them. They do write, suppose something good is going to come up for you and they are very happy for your success, then they will give you a letter of recommendation. Then letter of resignation. Okay, what is a letter of resignation? If you wish to leave a job for any reason, you know, everybody knows what is resignation letter.